Hello my planner pals and welcome back, and if you're new here then thank you for joining me and giving me a try. My name is Di, I am here at Creative Karma Design. Today we are looking at 10 ways in which you can use semicircles stickers in your planner. If you're not sure what I'm talking about, it is these. These little half circles come in different sizes and styles. They are either solid frames, like you can either write on them or they're only decorative, so they come in different types, kind of styles of stickers. How can you use these in your planner? And I do this series like this just so to give you ideas. There are probably lots more ways, but I'm going to share 10. So the first way is you can use these to redate with, just as I have here. I've turned them this way with the curved on the top. You can also do it the other way. I've done it that way too, where you have the curved bit on the bottom. And I've just put the day on the flat bit and the date on the curved bit. Again, you can flip it, do the other way. It works in your weekly. You can do this any way at all. So redate with them. The second thing that you can do is that you can use them as a little scallop border on your page. And these can all be the same type of sticker or different types of sticker. They can be big ones, they can be little ones, but you can make a full scalloped border along your page, just putting them on the page, in the sidebar, wherever that you need to put them. Use them as a scallop. The third way that you can use the semicircles in your planner is you can use them in conjunction with a box. This is just a vertical box, and you can just put the little semicircle on the edge of a box like so. Here's a quick tip. If this was one like this, it also kind of looks like a mug or a cup. So you can use it as a stylized part of your planner page. The fourth way that you can use the stickers in your planner is if you have two, and they don't have to be the same or anything like that. If you have two, you can use them in your planner and you can create a circle element, because two make a circle. If you wanted something a little bit funkier, you could do them this way for a funky element instead. And that also kind of looks like a butterfly. The fifth way that you can use the half circles in your planner is, again, thinking about your vertical boxes or your box element of some shape and fashion. You can put them inside the box and put them on the top and have it as kind of a header. If it was decorative and you wanted to use a lot of your box, you could put it on the bottom instead, depending on your planner spread. So you can use them inside a box. Depending on how much room you have, you could even use it on the inside of the side of the box. The sixth way that you can use them, and again, thinking about boxes, if you like the tombstone shape, I don't, but if you do, you can make your own tombstones by putting them on the top. You could even, if you wanted to, put one on the top and or on the bottom and make, like, I want to call that a pill shape, or even like a phone shape, question mark. So yes, and again, they don't have to go this way. It could even be this way on your page. That kind of looks like a Nintendo Switch. The seventh way that you can use your half circle stickers is that you can layer them either inside an existing sticker or on their own. And I'm thinking about things like this. If you have a big one that you wanted to put on here, just an example, and you're like, I want to write something in there, you can layer a smaller half circle and put that inside. Again, you could also do that with, if you had a circle that you wanted to make into a decorative aspect, and this could go up in the redating area, it could go on the box. Again, you can use that in conjunction with some of the other tips. If you have some of the other smaller ones that are more functional, and then you have the big ones that are more decorative, you can layer these together. Layer them together. The eighth way that you can use these is to denote moon phases. So again, you've got half moon, half moon. And then if you wanted to go a bit further, you could do new moon. Let's say I have 2 of these for a full moon. And then to get the quarter moon, I could just come in and cut inside. And then I've got a little quarter moon. So you can use it to denote the moon phases, or if you were doing a spread about the moon or something like that, use it for that. The other thing that you can do with your semicircle stickers is you can cut them up. This also works for like redating your monthly. You can put those in your monthly planner. But you can just put them in the little intersection between your boxes if you've layered some boxes. So that is a great use as well. Rather than using flowers or something, or you just want to jazz up a little area, you can put it in the boxes there. You could also, if you wanted to, put it inside the box like that. Again, cutting it up and using it as quarter circles rather than half circles. All right, and the 10th way that you can use these little half circles is exactly as I showed you earlier, is to think really outside the box and use them as part of your decor. Again, it's a mug, a cup, a mug, or something like that. The other thing that they kind of resemble is a hanging basket. So you can use it this way, put your flowers in it like a planter, You could use it like that, like a planter. And it's just, you know, you can put your box here instead. Let's say you have that on top of a box there. It can be a planter. Or you can just get your pen, put a little pen work in, and then it's a hanging basket. One of the other things it could be, if you have some like this, is you can put in a little thing like this and have it as a toadstool. And then you have a little toadstool, just as an example. And then another use would be cutting a little V in here, just as I mentioned this earlier. And then you've got a little butterfly. You just need the little antenna. So you can use them in a lot of different ways, and there's probably other ways that you could use them that I've not gone over here. But yes, you can use them as a decorative element as well. All right, I hope this helped give you some ideas on how to use these half circle stickers. I don't know about you, I end up with a lot of these left in my sticker books because I don't particularly like the shape. But if you're really looking to use them and get the stickers used rather than throwing them away, then I hope these ideas gave you some inspiration. If you enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and ring the notification bell so you get updates. And I will see you next time, my planner pals. Bye!